You are in danger if you do not apply these 5 tips. Want to protect yourself online? Here are 5 essential cybersecurity tips every beginner should know. Tip 1. Use strong passwords. Always use strong, unique passwords for each account. Tip 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Tip 3. Avoid phishing scams. Be cautious of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or emails. You can refer to our post about phishing for more details. Tip 4. Keep software updated. Regularly update your software to patch security vulnerabilities. Tip 5. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN when connected to public Wi-Fi to protect your data. Like those in cafes, airports, or hotels, are often unsecured. This lack of security makes it easier for hackers to intercept data transmitted over these networks, potentially accessing sensitive information such as login credentials, financial details, or personal messages. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, ensuring that even if someone tries to intercept your data, they won't be able to read it. This added layer of protection is especially important when using public Wi-Fi, as it significantly reduces the risk of cyber attacks like man-in-the-middle attacks, where a hacker secretly intercepts and relays communication between two parties. Want to learn more? Join our cybersecurity course at Benarous Cyber Academy. Link in the first comment. Share the video with your friends to spread awareness and follow us for more tips.